In this video, we are going to see how the computer engineer can prepare for the job interview. Actually, the preparing for a computer engineering job for the interview as a fresher involves a combination of technical knowledge, problem-solving abilities, and soft skill. So here we are going to see a step-by-step guide to help you get ready for the job interview. First step is review the basics. So students should brush up on the fundamental computer science concepts, including algorithms, data structures, object-oriented programming, and database. So here, students should have a knowledge of basic object-oriented programming features and the difference between the procedural-oriented programming and object-oriented programming concept. Point number 2 is study the relevant technologies, which is a very important point. Student, you please list out what are the different technology are there which are related to your study. It means that we know as a computer engineer, we should focus on a different programming languages like as C, C++, Java, Python. There are some scripting languages. So here all languages are not compulsory. I will suggest you should have a good knowledge of C++ language, and other than C++ language, whatever the language you like, you please prepare accordingly. For the good offers and package, if you are preparing few frameworks and tools which are the commonly used, that is also very important. If you know the DevOps concept, which is also very good to get a good offers as well as package. Other than the programming language, you should have a good knowledge of software development, like as a software development like life cycle, agile methodology, etc. Step number 3 is very important because a regular practice is very important for the computer engineer. Once you finalize your interest, please be focused on that programming language regularly. Let's consider, suppose your area of interest is Java programming language. So please be regularly work on the Java programming language. So to improve your problem solving skills, solve the different coding challenges and algorithms on the different platforms. You know, there are different types of platforms are available on the internet, like as HackerRank, LeetCode, CodeSignal, and some SQL challenges platforms are also there. So you can work on that platforms to just improve your problem solving skill. Also, you can do your regular practice on writing the clean and efficient code. Just to learn the programming language and do the regular practice is not our role. So list out some projects. Work on the personal or open source projects to apply your knowledge. At last, include all the attractive projects in your resume or portfolio and be prepared to discuss all the projects with interviewer. So actually, whenever you are working on the different programming language, just to work on the different concepts and apply that concepts on the regular real life applications is different. So for that purpose, you can build the different projects to get a good knowledge. Step number 5 is understand the company. So you know there are different types of companies. Few are the service based and few are the product based. So I will prepare a separate video on what are the different types of companies. So first decide you are interested in which company. It means you are interested in the product based company or service based company. So accordingly, what you can do, you just list out the companies, then do the research of listed companies and its product or services. Understand the culture and values of all the companies and prepare accordingly because this is your target. Step number 6, prepare for the technical questions. So be ready to answer the technical questions related to your field. It means, for example, if you are applying for the front-end role, you can expect what are the questions you'll get from the interviewer. Like as if you are applying for the front-end role, you'll get questions based on the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or maybe based on the web development. So accordingly, if you are applying for the front-end, back-end, or for the full stack developer, as per your role, you just list out all the questions and try to prepare all the questions with some real-time scenario, or you can say use cases. Step number 7 is behavioral questions. So practice answering the common behavioral questions. Provide the specific example from your past experience that demonstrate your skills, teamwork, and problem-solving abilities. While working on seminars, projects, you'll get this type of skills. So according to your past experience, you can try to give the answers on the common behavioral questions. Step number 8, mock interviews. As we know, practice makes a man perfect. Similarly, once you will prepare for the interview, conduct your mock interviews with friends or mentors. Get a feedback on your answers and delivery. On the basis of your feedback, try to improve your skills where you are lagging. In step number 9, please prepare some questions for the interviewer. Why? If you are preparing some questions and asking to the interviewer, this shows your interest and help you assess if the company is good fit for you or not. So please prepare some questions for the interviewer. Few more points. Please prepare your soft skills. Once you will prepare your resume, try to review the same thing 3-4 times. Why? because whatever you are writing in your resume, you should have a knowledge of each and every point. So while preparing the resume, please be careful. The next point is confidence and mindset. You should have a confident about your knowledge, your answers, and whatever you are explaining to the interviewer. You should have a neat dress code, and the continuous learning is very important, because in the final year, whenever you are preparing for your first job, from the first day you should have your continuous learning. So if you are following all the steps which we discussed now, definitely you'll get a very good job. So all the best for your preparation and your good job. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share the video.